Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Stuart Gibson and welcome to my channel. This is I think it's a 2017, 2018 Colony Sweet Tooth. This is I think they call it the trans gold color. I'm going to give it a new life by removing all the paint, by stripping all the paint. Hopefully it's nice, and then this will probably be, at least for most part of 2020, this will be my bike, my setup. Without any further ado, let's get started. Step one is taking some sandpaper and scuffing up the paint a bit. Paint stripper is a very non-pleasant chemical, so you want to prevent it from going on your hands, coming in your face. Make sure you're in a well-ventilated area. I chose to be outside. So what I have is, got some gloves, wrong hand. Besides it being pretty cold, I'm wearing long sleeves because I've had enough paint stripper on my arms to know it doesn't feel very pleasant. You should use something like this. And then safety glasses. I don't wear this. I'll leave this for what it is. Missed the spot. So let's start painting. You want to apply it in a thick coat. I've completely covered my frame in a couple-year-old paint stripper. It says it should start working, or it should have worked, in about 20 to 25 minutes. In the past, I've seen it kind of make your paint look like it's boiling. So it's been half an hour. I'm not very happy with the results. I'm going to reapply everything and have it sit here for a couple hours. If that doesn't work, buy some new paint stripper, something more powerful, and then try again tomorrow. Today's a brand new day and the paint is still on my frame. So I went out and I bought this. It should be better. So I reapplied it. I don't see anything yet. I really hope this works. Thanks to the power of video, today is day 3 and the paint is pretty much completely off. I gave it a clean last night and then I put some more paint stripper on there to let it work in overnight. As you can see, it's pretty much clear. It still has, like, the paint is kind of chipping off. And you can immediately see what's kind of wrong with this. A frame without paint is very prone to rust. So this is all just surface rust, so I'll be able to clean that right off. So as soon as I've got this cleared off, I'm gonna clean up the spots that have a little bit of rust on there, and then I just need to spray on the clear coat to protect the frame. It's looking promising though. This is the almost finished product. It's clean. I cleaned off all the chemicals. That's really important because when you're gonna clear coat this, you don't want any chemicals left on the frame. Leaving it overnight was probably not the smartest thing to do. I see the rust kind of made some dark spots in the metal, so I'm gonna grab some metal polish, clean this up, and then I'll check back with you and show you the results. So this is the final end result. I still need to put some clear coat over it and just to protect it a little bit better. You could choose not to, but every time you see a spot or a little spot of rust, you might want to touch it up with some polish. If your frame has discolorations like this one does, I would recommend not to polish it too much because you'll polish away the color. And I really do like the discoloration of these welds. I'm gonna touch it up a little bit more, spray some clear coat, and then it's going into the closet until I build my 2020 bike. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope it was informational. I hope you guys are able to do it in one day. And yeah, stay tuned.